custom scoring, the priority matrix, and saved reports. Click the configuration button to open the template drawer. You can create a completely custom scoring model, define your own metrics, set weights, and name. The template. This is powerful for teams that don't fit neatly into RICE or WSJF. Edit any template to adjust weights as your team's priorities evolve. Changes apply immediately to the backlog scores. The priority matrix plots your issues on a 2-axis scatter chart. Pick which metrics go on each axis. High impact, low effort items land in the top left, your quick wins. It's the fastest way to make trade-off decisions in a sprint planning meeting. Export your scored backlog to CSV or save it as a report. Saved reports let stakeholders review prioritization decisions without opening the scoring table themselves. Next up, portfolio and program management.